Hey everybody, good morning. I hope you're all doing well. I'm doing amazing as well. And yes, it's a beautiful day today. It's not too cold, not too hot right now. The weather is just awesome. And we are heading somewhere. We are going to a jewelry shop for some work. My gold necklace is broken from one side and that needs a little bit of fixing. That's the reason. And Dolly also has some work at the shop, so we both are going together. So let's see, maybe I'll end up buying something small for myself, although gold prices have skyrocketed. And how is a middle class person even supposed to think about buying gold? It's terrible. Although I'm not a big fan of gold items, gold jewelries, sometimes we have to wear gold jewelries on special occasion. That's the reason I have to get it fixed, because wearing something broken doesn't really look good. So let's get it fixed today. So finally, we have reached her shop, and it feels so nice to stop here. And see, we both are twinning today. We both are wearing pink dresses. So yes, and it's a new shop. It's a new shop. Congratulations.
थैंक यू सो मच। दुकान तो कब ओपन हो गई, लेकिन कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन आज हो रहा है हमारी दीदी का। क्या करें दोस्तों, टाइम ही नहीं है हमारी दीदी के पास। क्या करें
क्या करें? I'm coming here for the first time. And let me show you around. So here you can see a lot of cosmetic items behind me and some clothes over there. And let's go inside here. So this is the place where she does facials, makeups, and bleach and whatnot. So this place is specifically dedicated to makeup and all of that. You can see chairs of that kind, big mirrors, and there is this another room where you can see this hair wash thing. People sit here and then get their hair washed, and this room looks a bit shabby because it's old, but the shop is new, so it looks nice. And these are some antique doors that also needs a little bit of painting. So we are joined by our dear Sangeeta Didi. She also has some work, so you also come along. We are in the shade right now and waiting for the bus, so let's see how long it takes, and then we'll take off. Okay, so we finally got down from the bus at Thali, and just look at this beautiful place for a second. And now we have to go all the way down there. So the shop we are heading to is down there, and look over there. Someone has set fire to that area, sadly. Wildfires have become really common these days. So it was really pleasant when we left home, but now it has become scorching hot, and Tharali is known as one of the hottest places around here. So it is quite evident. So while they were busy with their work, I was just sitting there relaxing under the fan. And after that, we headed to the jewelry shop. It was inside a narrow lane, and here we are. Just look at the variety of Pahari jewelry here. Gulband, Mang Tika, Nath, everything looked so beautiful. And yes, I ended up gifting myself a little something today. These two rings. I also really like this finger ring. After that, my brother in law came to pick us up, and this time, Dolly drove us back home. Okay, guys, so I have some really exciting news to share with you all. We have finally reached the milestone of 1 lakh subscribers. I don't even know how to express it or how to react in this situation, but it feels so surreal. And seriously, the achievement is not just mine, it belongs to all of us. So thank you so much for supporting me, learning with me, and being part of this journey. So today we have a small celebration happening at my home with my family and close ones, so you'll also get a glimpse.
सब्सक्राइब कर दिया संजीव के फोन से भी देखो।
कर दिया, अब देखते हैं।
टीवी से आ रहा है मेरे टीवी पर भी इतना बड़ा। Very good.
आ गया फाइनली, देखो।
देखो, एक तुम्हारा भांजा, एक तुम्हारे जीजा जी।
हैं? फोटो? वही अच्छा फोटो खींच रहे हो? देखो दोनों भी तो बैठ गए नहीं। कहाँ गए थे?
दोनों go, ये हैप्पी 100K, हैप्पी 100K। मामा ये वीडियो बन रही है, खराब हो जाएगा, खराब हो जाएगा कैसे?
इसके रुद्र के हाथ मत दे यार छाप।
अरे पीहू मैं तो
अच्छा आप कुछ और खा लेना।
समोसा ले लो। समोसा मिला? लो।
Oh my God, अदाएं।
मेरे मुंह पे कैमरा आ गया, अदाएं।
मम्मी
आप लोगों को खाना खाना होगा।
Yes, ये डाइट पे है।
नंबर।